Good morning, everybody, and welcome to BQ Photo Training TV, where training is made possible. Okay, I'm going to take this quick video and I'm going to show you the inside of my filing structure for my photography business. If you are a new and upcoming photographer, I recommend you take some tips from this whenever you're starting your own business and you're getting photo shoots and you want to make sure everything is categorized and in the right place. Now, of course, I'm doing this tutorial on a Mac. I will try my best to follow up on a PC at a later time, but it's all the same. If you're on a Mac, you want to go find a Finder folder, and if you're on a PC, you want to look for your Documents folder. So I'm going to click on the Finder folder. Now, there are 4 different ways to view your documents. Okay, the first way is thumbnail view. Now, for example, if I want to go and view a document, I can actually hit my space bar and it's going to open up and I can see what that document is. And if I use the down arrow key, it'll bring it to the next one, and if I keep going, it'll show me all my documents. All right. The next view is a list view, and it's just a list of all the documents you have. Same thing. If I hit the space bar, it'll open up the document and show me what it is. My favorite view is the column view. The column view, now you have to look at it with more than one folder within a folder within a folder within a folder within a folder, etc. The column view basically shows you your like where the object came from and then what it is. Okay. The next view, which is not my favorite, it's a combination of the list view and cover flow. Cover flow, I can just kind of scroll through and see what my documents are. All right. Now, for example, I try my best not to save any documents to the computer itself. I like to save all of my documents and all of my photographs for my entire business off-site. And what I mean by off-site is external hard drive or server or whatever you do to save your files. My off-site is a MyBook external hard drive, 2 terabyte, which is almost out of space, surprisingly. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my MyBook. And right now I'm in cover view. And as you can tell, I have four folders on the hard drive itself. Okay. If I click on the drop down arrow, I get all of my folders within the Brandon Queen Photography and Graphics. Okay. All right. So forth and so on. So I'm going to go ahead and go to thumbnail view. Same thing. Click on it. I get all my folders within there. Let me go back a level. I got my list view. Same thing. I open it up. It shows me what's in each folder. Now, I'm going to spend a lot of my time on the column view because that's my favorite. All right. So this is how me, Brandon Queen, with Brandon Queen Photography and Graphics, this is how I save my files and how my structure system goes. So I click on a folder, and within that folder, I have a portfolio folder, which is labeled green. I have a graphics folder, which is labeled purple. Photography folder is labeled orange. My blog content folder is labeled blue. And my business and accounting information folder is labeled gray. And then I have my other folders like my plugins, my templates and stuff like that. My temp folder is temporary pictures that will be deleted after a certain period. So I'm going to go inside the portfolio folder. And within the portfolio folder is my business. It is every option and every package and every single service I offer with my business. Okay. I have my business clients. And then within that folder, they have their stuff. Okay. I have my couples. They're broken up by year. Okay. So if I get a couple in 2017, I'll make a folder that says 2017 and I'll dump their photos in there. And then within that customer folder, I have an edited folder and I have a raw folder. And I also, we started doing an ImageQuicks folder. And ImageQuicks is our online client viewing system. It's how the clients go to view their photos and make an order. Okay, and that's low quality photos. And after a while, that folder does get deleted for space purposes. I have my events. Those are broken up by year. As you can tell, I'm trying to clean up some stuff. I got my family portraits. They are just broken down by client name. Now, we are going to start doing, and I haven't done it yet, but we are going to start doing each client and then putting their information in a year. So for example, let's see, when was the photo taken? This was taken in 2016, so I'm going to make a folder that says 2016, and I am going to move these two folders within that folder. So if I do the Bourgeois family again, I'll make another folder that says 2017, so forth and so on. I got my headshots. Those are broken up by client. Those will also be broken up by year, of course. I got my infant and children. They're broken up by name. Let's not worry about that one. I have my logo. That's all messy, but that's not for you to worry about. Models are broken up by year as well, and then by client, and then whatever's in their folder. I have my real estate photography. In this particular company, they're broken up by location, address. Okay? Then I have a raw folder. I don't have to edit these, so I have a raw folder, and then I have a submitted folder. So I go through and I pick the best ones that I like, and I submit those to the company. I got my school photography, and I'm going to probably do a separate tutorial on organizing school photography. Okay? Then I have my seniors. This is one of my biggest sections of my business. They're broken up by year, and then by client, and then each client has an edited folder and a raw folder, and then of course I didn't start doing the ImageQuicks folder until this year, 2017. Okay, and then I have a templates folder, and I'll do another tutorial on templates as well. Then I have my wedding, and those are also broken up by year and then by client. As you can tell, I have an edited folder, I have an ImageQuicks folder, and I have a raw folder. Okay, so that is my basic breakdown of how I save my photography for my business. As you can tell, it comes from the Brandon Queen Photography and Graphics folder. It goes into the portfolio, and then it goes into the services that I offer, and then of course within those services and within those folders is the clients, and then the year, and then the whatever else that goes with that folder. Now if you notice, a Mac and a Windows, both of the computers do this. They'll put these folders in alphabetical order. I did not want the folders in alphabetical order because of how I use the folder system. I have a number in the front. So each one is broken up by number. Okay, and with that being said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that organized my folder by number. In the next tutorial I do, I'm going to cover some other things, and I'm also going to cover labeling. Mac, I think, is the only system that can do color labels. So I'm not sure if PC can do that or not. But again, if you're an upcoming photographer, you might want to take some note on this and organize your business as such. You know, portfolio, that's everything you do. Yeah, I have a graphics folder. I do stuff for graphics. You know, I do graphics for other companies and other people. And, you know, I guess that can go in portfolio, but it's not pictures. So that portfolio is different. And then I have a photography folder. Photography is my personal stuff. And then, of course, I freelance for my local newspaper. Therefore, I have a Homer Courier Daily Comment folder. My blog content, that's all the stuff that I post on my blog. All my topics. Each topic has its own folder. Business and accounting, we're not going to enter that. We need to see what kind of money I make. So, again, if you're an upcoming photographer and you're wanting to know how to save your files and what file structure you should use, here's an option. If you like it, use it. If you want to make your own, go for it. But again, I want to thank you for taking the time to join me in a brief tutorial on organizing your files. There will be more videos to come, more in-depth details on organizing photos. Again, thank you for joining BQ Photo, Training TV, where training is made possible. You guys have an awesome day. Stay blessed.